Okay, anak. Ipapakita ko sa'yo ngayon kung papaano isosolve, kukunin ang value ng x sa pamamagitan nitong dalawang way na ito. Okay? Yung first equation natin is 42 minus x is equal to negative 42. Pwede mong gawin yung dati mo pang ginagawa, yung constants dito, yung ililipat natin. So, let's try it. So, pag nilipat natin tong positive 42 sa kabila, so magiging minus 42 na siya or negative 42 na siya. Ang matitira dito sa left side ay negative x is equal to yung original na nandito, which is negative 42. Pag nilipat si positive 42 sa kabila, magiging minus 42 na. Okay? Magiging negative 42 na. Okay po? And negative 42 minus 42, again, sulat mo siya vertically, negative 42 minus 42. Yung rule natin in subtracting integers, palitan ng sign ng second number at palitan ng operation. So this one, positive siya, magiging negative na siya, and yung subtraction magiging addition na. And then perform the rules in addition. So like sign sila, you can add them. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 4, that is 8. And then follow their sign, which is negative. So, negative x is equal to yung negative 42 minus 42, that is negative 84. Now, hindi pa pwedeng may negative yung x natin, no? So, gagawin natin, we are going to multiply both sides sa negative. So, lagyan natin ng negative to, lagyan natin ng negative to. Why? Kasi we know that negative times negative is positive. So, kaya nilagyan natin ng negative both sides. Negative times negative, this will become positive x na. And then negative 84 times negative, that is positive 84. So, the value of x here is 84. Alright? On the other hand, papaano yung isa pang way para hindi na tayo mag-multiply negative both sides? Ang gagawin naman natin ay, si negative 42 yung ililipat naman natin sa left side. Kung kanina, si positive 42 yung nilipat natin sa right side, ngayon, eto naman si negative 42 ang ililipat natin sa left side. Tignan natin kung makukuha natin yung same answer. Okay? So that is again, 42 minus x is equal to negative 42. Lipat natin si negative 42 sa left side. So, magiging 42. Negative 42 magiging positive 42. Copy the negative x here is equal to, since wala nang natira dito sa right side natin, we can just simply write 0. Okay, kasi nilipat na natin si negative 42 sa kabila. So, you can perform this one since pareho silang constants, like terms sila. 42 plus 42, that is 84. Copy minus x is equal to 0. Okay, so since sinahanap natin yung value ng x, we are going to isolate x, no? Hindi pa pwedeng yung ililipat natin kasi magiging negative 84 na naman siya katulad ng nangyari dito. So, ang gagawin natin, itong si negative x, yung ililipat natin sa right side para maging positive x na siya. So, magiging 84 is equal to x. Okay? Same lang ba yung answer na nakuha? Yes, same lang. So, either way, kung ano man yung sundin, ito ba yung ililipat o itatranspose o ito naman yung itatranspose, pareho lang 84 yung makukuha natin. Alright? Now, let's move on dito sa 84 minus x is equal to 76. So, katulad ng ginawa natin dito, gawin natin yung dalawang paraan. Okay? So, ang gawin natin, itong si 84, yung usual nating ginagawa, si 84 ang ililipat natin sa right side. I-isolate agad natin si x natin. So, dahil ito ay positive 84, magiging minus 84 na siya dito. Okay, so negative x is equal to 76 tapos minus 84. Okay, magiging negative 84 na siya. Alright? So, mangyayari, 76 minus 84, since ito ay mas nauna yung lower number kesa sa bigger number, ang answer niyan ay magiging negative. Okay? So, 84 minus 6, that is 8. And since sa una si lower number kesa sa bigger number, magiging negative 8. So, that is negative x is equal to negative 8. Okay? So, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, minultiply natin both sides ng negative para maging positive. Ganon din ang gagawin natin dito. Dahil negative yung x, kailangan positive yung x natin. So we can just simply multiply both sides into negative. So negative times negative x, the answer is positive x is equal to negative 8 times negative, that would be positive 8. So the answer is positive 8. Gawin naman natin yung isa. Papaano kung hindi si 84 yung nilipat natin? Kung si 76 yung nilipat natin sa kabila. So again, sulat natin yung equation. That's 84 minus x is equal to 76. Lipat naman natin ngayon si 76 sa left side. So magiging 84 minus 76. Okay? And then minus x is equal to 0. Again, bakit naging minus 76? Kasi positive 76 siya sa right side. So, pag nilipat sa left side, magiging negative 6. And then, bakit naging 0? Dahil nung nilipat natin yung 76, wala nang natira sa right side. So, you can just simply write 0. And then, perform the operation in like terms. 84 minus 76, that is positive 8, minus x, copy this one, is equal to 0. See, okay? So, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, hindi natin i-transpose si 8 kasi magiging negative 8 siya at may iiwan yung negative x, which is gagawin na naman natin itong pag-multiply both sides into negative. So, ang gagawin natin, ang i-move natin sa right side ay ang negative x. So, magiging positive x na siya. I-isolate natin sa x for us to get the value of x. So, magiging 8 is equal to, pag transpose, magiging positive x. So, x is equal to 8. Same lang din. Okay? Okay, so let's now discuss about multiplication and division properties of equality. Last time we discussed about addition and subtraction properties of equality. So ngayon, multiplication and division naman. Okay? So nakalagay dito, get the value of x. The first equation is 3x is equal to 600. Iba ito sa adding and subtracting properties of equality kasi kung mapapansin mo, wala siyang addition and wala siyang subtraction. So, we cannot just simply transpose this 3 to the other side para makuha ang answer. No, hindi po pwede yun. Okay? Since ito ay multiplication, dahil magkatabi si 3 and x, that's multiplication, 3 times x. Ang gagawin natin, for us to get the value of x, we will divide both sides into the numerical coefficient beside the variable x. So, dahil katabi ni x ay 3, we will divide both sides with 3. Okay? And then we will cancel out 3 here. Since pareho sila, ang matitira ay x is equal to, perform this division, 600 rather, divided by 3, that is 200. So the answer is x is equal to 200. Now, let's have a rechecking. Paano natin malalaman if 200 is correct? We will substitute the value of x to the equation. So that is 3x is equal to 600. Okay, substitute mo lang yung value ng x which is 200. So magiging 3 times 200 is equal to 600. 3 times 200, that is 600, is equal to 600. Equal ba sila? Yes. Kung equal sila, therefore, correct yung answer natin na 200. Okay? Let's move on naman sa number 2. 4x is equal to 36. So again, hindi pa pwedeng ililipat o iti-transpose lang natin si 4 to the other side. Since ito ay multiplication or division, hindi siya pwede or applicable doon sa addition and subtraction properties of equality. Hindi mo lang siya iti-transpose. So, ang gagawin ulit natin, katulad ng ginawa natin sa number 1, we will divide both sides with 4. Okay, and then we will cancel out 4 here. And then, ang matitira dito sa left side ay x is equal to 36 divided by 4, that is 9. And x is equal to 9 na. Okay? Again, paano natin malalaman kung 4 yung ipang-divide natin both sides? Tignan mo yung numerical coefficient na katabi ni x. Kung ang katabi niya ay 4, divide mo both sides with 4. Kung katabi niya ay 2, divide mo both sides with 2. Okay, so the value of x here is 9. Now, let's have Let's check kung tama ba yung ating value ng x. So we will substitute. 4x is equal to 36. Substitute 9 dito sa x natin. So 4, 9 is equal to 36. O 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 4 times 9, that is 36, is equal to 36. Pareho ba sila? Kung pareho, therefore, ang answer natin ay tama. Okay, x is equal to 9. Let's move on to number 3. Meron na tayong fraction dito. 2/3 x is equal to 12. Ano kaya ang gagawin natin? Kapag may nakita kang fraction sa tabi ng variable, numerical coefficient na, diba? All you have to do is to multiply the denominator with the number on the other side. Okay? Again, multiply the denominator on the number sa kabilang side natin. So, yung kabilang side niya ay sa right side. Imumultiply mo itong denominator na 3 sa 12. Okay? So, mangyayari dyan, the-transpose natin dito, imumultiply natin, imumultiply. So, magiging 2x, dahil wala na si 3, is equal to 12 times 3. Okay? 12 times 3. And 12 times 3, that is 36. So, 2x is equal to 36. Now, perform yung kanina, katulad kanina. For us to get the value of x, so we will divide both sides with 2. Bakit 2? Kasi yun yung katabi ng x natin. So, we will divide both sides with 2. You can cancel out this one kasi pareho naman. What will remain on the left side with bx is equal to 36 divided by 2, that is 18. So, the value of x here is 18. No? Let's have a checking. So, gawin natin, 2/3 x is equal to 12. So, dapat kung anong i-multiply natin kay 2/3 dito, mag-i-equal siya sa 12. Okay, substitute natin yung value ng x, which is 18. So, 2/3 times 18 is equal to 12. Now, again, let's have a recap, no, in multiplying fractions. Okay, so in multiplying fractions, ano ba ang meron sa multiplying fractions? So again, pag sinulat natin siya, magiging 2/3 times 18 over 1. Bakit 18 over 1? Dahil siya yung whole number, ang kanyang denominator would definitely 1. Okay? And then, ang rule natin in multiplication, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Right? Pero in this case, meron siya, pwede pa natin i-simplify before natin i-multiply. Why? Kasi 18 and 3, meron silang common factor. And that is 3. Diba? We will divide 18 and 3 both sa 3. So, 18, or 3 muna, 3 divided by 3, that is 1. 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Okay? And then you may now multiply. 2 times 6, that is 12. 1 times 1, that is 1. Or just simply write 12. Okay? So the answer here is 12 is equal to 12. Pareho ba sila? Same ba sila? Yes. Therefore, yung answer natin or yung value ng x natin na 18 ay tama.